Hi, I'm Ashley Headland. I'm here with Sean Rasinko, and we're here to talk about duplicate content. Sean, can you explain to viewers what duplicate content is?
Sure. So duplicate content is essentially two or more pages that have the same content or very similar content, but under different URLs. It's typically advised against in search engine optimization and by search engines themselves because they want to return unique, relevant results. And if they're returning different URLs that have essentially the same content or very similar content, that's not useful to users.
So what are some ways to mitigate instances of duplicate content?
So there are many ways to prevent duplicate content from appearing on your site. One of the most recommended strategies that Verndale recommends is really understanding your content management system and understanding the taxonomy within your information architecture that's housed in your CMS. Verndale recommends really a hub and spoke model of housing your content. So you're not having the same page exist in different areas of your taxonomy, which will likely mean that you'll have different versions of the URL. Speaking to that, you also want to be careful in the way that you syndicate content. If you do syndicate content to other websites, you want to ensure that you do have a link placed within those pages that links back to that article or to that page. So search engines will come across those pages and see that the link is there and attribute credit to the original source. One of the other things that you want to be mindful of is your internal linking, ensuring that your internal links, which are links placed on web pages within your site that link to other internal pages, that those links follow really the same scheme. So linking to domain.com/ for your homepage to just domain.com without the slash is a very minor example of how duplicate content can be detected because search engines will view the slash and the non-slash as unique. You can also set your preferred domain within Google Webmaster Tools if you do have a www and a non-www, so you can set the preferred domain since essentially both versions of those are viewed as unique and duplicate.
So for all the web owners out there dealing with duplicate content, what are some solutions?
So the quickest solution is to 301 redirect, which is a permanent redirect any existing pages that are duplicate right now. Essentially, that'll redirect users to the main page, and it'll also signify to search engines with the 301 permanent redirect that all credit and link credibility should be passed to the page that it redirects to. Another method that is somewhat new and recommended by search engines is the use of the canonical tag. It's essentially a meta tag that you can place on within the page's code to let search engines know what the main URL for that page is. So if there's any tracking appended to the URL or any different instance or variation of that URL, search engines will see that the canonical meta tag is there and associate all credit to that URL that's housed within that meta tag.
Great, thanks.